Hey everybody, it's me again. I am going to talk a little bit about talking about reference materials. And what I did first is I taught, if it was my choice, I would have taught one reference at a time. But the other teacher taught the lesson, so I kind of had to go with what she went with. And so we did kind of a review the next day in my room, talking about the different references. And we also did the brainies. We did gestures for each one. And then the next step, it's hard for me to show you the brainies when I've got one hand on the video and one hand on the other. So you'll have to check that out looking at the Power Picks on Whole Brain website. And then my next step was I wanted to do a kinesthetic game. And what I did is I will show you with an agility ladder. Now I have a client I work with and we do agility moves. And what I did is I took each of the reference materials, dictionary, a atlas, and a encyclopedia and a thesaurus, and I also had another row of ladders and I had them in different positions, and I actually had different encyclopedias, different reference material, and I would give them a verbal clue like what reference material do you use to spell something? What reference material do you use to find the continent of Africa? And then I love the gesture where you put your hands above your head. How do you find out all you need to find out about rabbits? What reference do you use? And then for the thesaurus, synonyms and antonyms, of course, and making stories more interesting. And then I furthered the activity because they were really responding so well and kind of going faster than I initially thought. I let them make up the ideas for what reference material goes with what. I'm planning on reviewing it tomorrow. And I'm hoping that the activity will go faster and that possibly I'll get some more ideas.